Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 2000 C5 Corvette LS1 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up. This engine starts right up. Has no knocks or ticks or leaks. This engine has 110,000 miles on it. It is currently mated up to a 6-speed manual transmission. Go ahead and rev it up here. This engine will make a great replacement for your Corvette or an excellent starting point for your hot rod or retro rod. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.